Alright, so here's the problem. My wife is complaining that the wiper would come on and the center of it wouldn't wipe at all. So for the investigation, I picked up the wiper. So the wipers on a BMW are kind of wacky. They're not the same as any normal wiper on any car, as you can see in my daughter's car. Most typical wipers, these basic ones, you know, with the arm piece that attaches to here. BMW, theirs is this arm piece and the wiper is here. So here's the problem right here. So this is ripped. That's why she was complaining that I wasn't getting anything. So you actually pop this off. There's clips that hold this thing. Right about there. So you just pull right out. So that's the problem right there. Let's get this thing started. Got tools to get the job done. Just a wiper. So this is from Amazon. I got this from Amazon for like $8. It's a 16-inch wiper from Amazon. So I got this from Amazon for like under $8. Here's the model number and all that. But it's a 16 inch is what you need. And that's it. All you gotta do is just pull out the wiper. It's very easy. Grab it from here, about here. Pull out, straight up. Yeah, easier said than done. Pull out. I'll show you what it looks like. Pull it up. All right, pull it up. So here it is. It's just clipped on. So right there. So it's just clipped on like that. I don't think it matters, you know, which way or the other. You can see it's pretty ripped there in the middle. That's what she's complaining about. So let's put our new one in. This is from Amazon. Should be the same. It's a 16 inch. There it is. Comes with the wiper protector. I'm going to keep the rubber, the yellow rubber on prior to put it in. So this kind of snaps in the same way. Right there. So we can zoom in our portion here. Good view. Y'all see that? Better view, right? So it snaps in right there. That little hole right there goes right in there. And it is brace that keeps it from moving around when the car does wipe. All right, here's a better view. So you can see it goes this little tab here. It pops into there. And these little channel locks keeps the wiper from moving around because it has no metal piece to it, so it's pretty flimsy by itself. So we're gonna pop it in like that, like so. I'll film as much as I can. I know the lighting's kind of poor. We'll get you there. Again, I'm just gonna pop it in. Once you can hear it click into when you pop it in. Right there. Listen for it. There it is. So now we can take off our wiper protector and we're going to put it down. So the cool thing is, I was telling you, once the wiper's in, that's that channel lock we talked about. So from this angle, you can see how the wiper actually works. See this channel lock here keeps it from fussing around as the wiper is now locked in here and it's up against the glass like that. So yeah, I want to make a quick video and show you how to do that since winter is upon us and you know you're going to be using more of your wiper. So hope that helps everybody. I hope everybody's doing good, enjoying the family and ready for the holidays. So I appreciate everybody that has been hitting subscribe and leaving comments. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, get this channel up to 1,000 subscribers before the year is ending. I appreciate everybody. See you in the next one. Enjoy the family. Happy holidays.